Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Crazy Scalper, an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace based on the information provided by the developer. This version is designed for MT5. And the marketplace page also mentions that a separate MT4 version is available. Starting with the marketplace overview, Crazy Scalper is currently priced at 79 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for just $30, 30 US dollars. Okay, so the version shown here is version 1.0 and it comes from developer Lori Tuckman. As I scroll through the description, the developer explains that this is a non-indicator trading robot, right? According to the product page, the EA uses a scalping approach that can trade in both directions simultaneously, opening buy and sell positions at the same time. Now, the description also notes that when one position moves into a loss, a locking mechanism can be used. If the lock does not fully resolve the situation and price reverses, the EA can apply an averaging process using pending orders. Now, moving into the settings section, there are quite a few parameters available for customization. We can see controls for take profit, levels, lock order distance, lock lot multipliers, averaging distances, pending order placement levels, and averaging lot multipliers. There are also money management options, including fixed lot sizing and risk-based position sizing when the lot value is set to 0. The EA also includes a stop loss percent setting, which allows all orders to be closed when a predefined overall percentage loss level is reached. Additional controls let users choose whether trading should focus on buy positions, sell positions, or both, while information display settings allow customization of the on-chart information panel. Now let's just move into the backtesting section and take a look at the historical testing performance. When reviewing any EA, it is important to remember that backtests provide historical analysis rather than a prediction of future performance. The marketplace information provided here does not specify the testing model used. So I am just going to focus on the completed results and chart activity. Here we are just seeing, the perhaps the EA in action, right? We didn't exactly the developer didn't exactly show us the backtest results. But anyways, we are going to just run our own backtest after all, and the backtest is already completed, by the way. So this is the Crazy Scalper EA. We ran the backtest on GBP USD on H1 time frame over the past 5 months from the beginning of 2026 till date, as you can see. And as for the delays, we are using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. And now looking at the results, from an initial deposit of $100,000, the EA produced a total net profit of $10,741.54 and a total number of 8,258 trades we are taking. Short trades we have 4,008 with a 77.5% win rate. Long trades we have 4,250 with a 68.96% win rate. And the largest profit was 9,134.08. Largest loss 3,420.16. The average profit was $9.03. Average loss $19.70. Okay, so based on this information here, the risk to reward ratio on average is bad, is poor. You can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss. And when you put that side by side with the win rate, because the win rate is actually good, so it's not surprising that out of 8,258 trades, over 10% profits, or about 10.74% profit, was made over the space of 5 months. All right. So when reviewing any EA, it's important that backtests provide historical analysis rather than a prediction of future performance. Looking through the historical chart behavior, we can observe how the EA's approach revolves around simultaneous directional exposure, locking positions, and the use of averaging orders when required, as you can see, right? So these characteristics are explicitly described by the developer and help explain the trade sequences visible throughout the test history. The chart activity can provide useful insight into how the system managed positions during the tested period, but I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. As for the results, they should always be viewed as historical backtest results only. Actual performance can vary significantly depending on lot size, risk settings, spread conditions, slippage, broker execution quality, market volatility, and user optimization choices. Before considering any live deployment, it is always worth conducting your own testing and optimization to determine whether the EA aligns with your trading objectives and risk tolerance. So overall, Crazy Scalper offers a non-indicator approach that combines simultaneous buy and sell trading with locking and averaging mechanisms described by the developer. So whether that approach fits your trading style is something best evaluated through careful analysis, rather careful testing and independent analysis. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you won't miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.